In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a folder to OneDrive effortlessly. This task might seem a bit daunting if you're new to the platform, but don't worry. I'll guide you through every step to ensure a seamless process. First things first, let's start by navigating to the OneDrive dashboard. If you're not familiar with how to get there, it's typically accessible through your web browser by logging into your Microsoft account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the OneDrive dashboard, your central hub for accessing all your files stored in the cloud. Now, turning your attention to the left side of the dashboard, you'll notice a menu. This is where all the magic begins. Look for the option labeled Plus Create or Upload. This button is your gateway to adding new content to your OneDrive. By clicking on this, you'll open a small drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you should see the Folder Upload option. This is what you need to select next. Choosing this option will prompt you to begin the process of uploading an entire folder from your device to OneDrive. This feature is incredibly handy when you have multiple files organized in a folder that you need to transfer all at once rather than uploading files individually, which can be time-consuming. With the Folder Upload option activated, a File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to navigate the files on your computer. Take your time to find the folder you wish to upload. Browsing through your directories might involve a few clicks, but it's all part of ensuring you're uploading exactly what you intend to. Once you've located the desired folder, click on it, and you should see an option to upload at the bottom of the File Explorer window. When you're ready, go ahead and click Upload. At this point, OneDrive will spring into action, automatically uploading your selected folder to your cloud storage. This automated process is designed to be both efficient and hassle-free. You'll be notified once the upload is complete, which usually doesn't take long depending on the size of your folder and your internet speed. To ensure everything transferred correctly, navigate to the My Files section within OneDrive. This can be accessed via the same menu where we initially began the upload process. Here, you'll be able to see all of your stored files and folders. You should now see your newly uploaded folder ready and waiting alongside your other files. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a folder to OneDrive. Remember, using OneDrive not only helps free up space on your device, but also ensures your files are safe and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Thanks for joining me today, and happy